What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am going to be blow drying my hair with you guys because I have a brand new blow dryer. I haven't even opened it yet, still in its box, that reminds me so much of the Dyson. It looks like the Dyson. It definitely has some really cool technology, but I really wanted to open this up and test it out with you guys for the first time. So I've already applied my styling products to my hair and I've been plopping for like maybe 15 minutes-ish or so. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down there and make sure to turn on the bell so that you are notified when I upload here on YouTube. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into this video. But first and foremost, I want to thank Dossier for partnering with me on a small portion of today's video. You guys already know how much I love this company. I basically only wear Dossier perfumes now. That is how much I love them. I've already told you guys in the past, they last so well on the skin. If you don't know what Dossier is, they are a luxury inspired perfume company where you can basically pick up the same exact luxury fragrances that you find in the retail stores for lots and lots of money. You know what I'm saying? If you like me and you like to save a little coin, then you definitely want to check out their website. You can find so many of your favorite fragrances for literally a fraction of the cost. Their perfumes sell anywhere from $29 to $39. But this is why I had to tell you guys, they are having amazing Black Friday promotions. You don't want to miss it. I think their promotions are going from like November 20th through November 30th. So head on over to their website. I'll have it linked in the description box so that you can check out their Black Friday promotions. And they are also running an Instagram campaign right now where you can win 2 free perfumes from Dossier. So head on over to their Instagram page. I'll have all of the details and information in the description box, so make sure to check them out. But I had to tell you guys the 2 fragrances that I got this month because I know I say this every time, but it's true. These are hands down my favorite fragrances that I've gotten. So they come in these little boxes and I've already opened them and tested them out. They come with a little insert that tells you all about the fragrance that you got, what notes are in it and all of that. And it comes with your full bottle of perfume as well as a little mini size so that you can test it out before you keep it. If you don't like it, you can send it back. Every single time I've gotten a perfume, I've loved it. So these come in handy. I just throw them in my purse so that I can have them on hand. So this particular one is called Woody Hyacinth and it has notes of hyacinth, lemon, pineapple, jasmine, vanilla, and some other things. And it smells so good. And this one right here is called Ambery Saffron. Oh my gosh. This one may be my all-time favorite, and I probably have like, I don't even know, it's embarrassing, probably 8 or 9 perfumes from them. And this one has notes of saffron, orange blossom, jasmine, plum, cedarwood, oak moss, amber, and fir balsam. It is the holidays, so it would make a perfect gift for a loved one or for yourself. If you're like me, you end up buying more gifts for yourself for the holidays than you do for other people. And let's go ahead and open up my brand new blow dryer. So this is the new blow dryer, and this is called the TINECO Modane. I don't know. And it says it has iLoop smart sensor technology. Using iLoop's multiple smart sensors, Moda 1, oh, that's what it's called, Moda 1, detects hair moisture levels and automatically controls damaging heat and optimizes airflow for healthier, faster drying experience. What? How do they figure out this kind of technology? So the blow dryer adjust its heat setting depending on the moisture level in your hair so that you don't get heat damage. Oh, I feel so dumb. This type of technology, it's actually mind-blowing. And it does come with a styling concentrator, a smoothing nozzle, and the only thing that I'll be using out of here, which is the diffuser. So let's break it open. Smoothing nozzle and the concentrated nozzle that comes with it. Here is what the blow dryer looks like. It's beautiful. Like a deep burgundy, almost purple color. It just looks so fancy, right? It definitely feels comfortable in the hand. I feel like it's a little bit lighter than the Dyson maybe. I don't know. I would have to do like a comparison video, and I will leave the actual cost of this on the screen right here. It's pricey. It's not as pricey as the Dyson, but it's still pricey. It has your attachments, of course, just like the Dyson does, and it's all magnetic, which I love. And the actual diffuser is pretty small. I actually like that for my hair because I can get a more concentrated like airflow on each section. It basically starts in auto mode. When it's in auto mode, it says that within the detecting distance, the sensor can continuously detect the hair moisture and adjust the airflow and temperature accordingly. The machine will automatically generate anions, I don't know how you pronounce that, to keep your hair static free, shiny, and healthy. That is just the weirdest thing, right? This thing actually adjusts its airflow and temperature depending on the moisture in your hair, which I just think is so bananas. That's so cool. You can actually put it on the max setting, which is the highest heat and the highest airflow, or you can put it on the cool setting, which is obviously cool air. So here it is turning it on. Uh-oh, this is not gonna work. My lights are flashing. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Okay, I think it's too much power coming out of the same outlets. So let me adjust some things. I don't know what the deal is. I tried to switch plugs around and stuff, but it's still like blinking. Like all my lights are flashing, which I hope that this doesn't trip the breaker, you know? It's still flashing. This thing must be pretty powerful. I don't know how annoying that is gonna be, but just giving my hair one extra little scrunchy scrunch before we jump on into the blow drying process.
Walk out the door in my little black dress.
Okay, that is really bizarre. First of all, I feel like I'm like in a nightclub or something with these lights going, like I'm strobing everywhere. It's so weird. I can feel the airflow changing when I like go to different areas. I was hitting the max button to see what happens. The back light starts blinking 3 times so that you know that it's switched over to max mode, but the airflow was definitely too strong, so I'm gonna keep it with auto mode.
And I need to distress. Sun sets behind downtown skyline. My headphones on, play my favorite song. Turn the volume up all the way on my phone. Polishing concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Street talk, glowing neon bright. It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy.
Alrighty, my hair is pretty much completely dry. Maybe like 95%. I definitely have some thoughts. I haven't like shaken out my roots or fluffed or anything like that. I'm not going to in this video. First thought is it's definitely really neat because you can feel the airflow change. As your hair gets drier, the speed slows down, the heat gets a little bit cooler. It's really neat. The second thing I noticed is that the auto mode, when you first turn it on and your hair is really damp, it's a pretty strong airflow. So I'm used to, of course, using my Dyson where I always have it on the lowest heat setting and the lowest speed setting because the airflow is like intense when you turn it up. If you have a Dyson, then you know what I'm talking about. And I thought that maybe my hair was gonna get frizzy because of it. So I was actually pleasantly surprised because I really thought that my hair might end up turning out a little bit frizzy. The cool button definitely gets nice and cold. With my Dyson, I feel like it takes a little while for the airflow to get nice and cold whenever I use the cool shot button. I did turn it on the max mode just for a second to see what happened, you know? And you can hear the turbo like kind of kick in and it definitely gets pretty hot. I really kind of enjoyed the fact that I didn't have to think too much about like the airflow or any of that, and it did dry my hair very quickly. I would say it dried it just as quickly as the Dyson. I don't know if it dried it any quicker than the Dyson. Overall, I really like this. So is it worth the money? I mean, listen, if you're in the market for a blow dryer and you don't mind spending quite a bit of money on a blow dryer, then I definitely really enjoyed it. If you guys would like me to do a video on like a side-by-side comparison, like do half my head with the Dyson, half my head with the TINECO, then I can do that. Just leave me a comment and let me know. For today's styling products, I use the Risso's Curl curl cream, and I used a little bit of Eco Styler gel to give it some hold. I think that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.